What's the crack, everyone? The rusty bartender here. As you can tell by my sweaty appearance, it's about 1,000,000 degrees here in Australia, and I'm ready for a drink. What's today's cocktail? It's the Old Pal. Let's go. Ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. So what is the Old Pal? Well, it's the cousin to the Negroni and the Boulevardier. Only real difference is that we're subbing out sweet vermouth for a dry vermouth. And you've obviously still got bourbon and Campari, very similar to the Boulevardier. Negroni, you're pretty much swapping out bourbon for gin and dry vermouth for sweet vermouth. So according to Steve's book, the classic recipe is equal parts whiskey, Campari and vermouth. But we're going to be using Steve's recipe, which is a 2-1-1 version. So it's going to be 1.5 parts of your rye whiskey and 3/4 of an ounce of your vermouth and 3/4 of an ounce of Campari. Let's just make this drink. Enough talking, as they say. One and a half of your rye whiskey. Three-quarters of your dry vermouth. We're using Dolin today. Or Dolin. How do you pronounce it? Let me know in the comments. Campari, everybody's favorite. Apparently it's not. I love it. Get this top on. Add ice to your mixing glass. And we're going to stir this for 15 to 30 seconds. Now would be a good time to like and subscribe. Take your pre-chilled coupe, and we're just going to strain. It's got a really nice wash line. And there we go, guys. The Old Pal. Let's see if it's my Old Pal. Very similar to the Boulevardier. A little bit spicier on the tongue. It's probably from the rye as compared to like using a bourbon. You get the Campari coming through, get the bitter notes in the back of your tongue. It's kind of orangey as well at the same time. It's not up there with my favorites of all time, but if you're wanting something, if you're wanting a change from a Negroni or a Boulevardier, give this one a go. Cheers. See you on the next one.